Hello students, in this lecture I will demonstrate you selection sort in a C programming language. I will write code in a GNU compiler and a Linux terminal. This is the Linux terminal, and I will type the code here, vi c. Okay. First, I will dictate you the what is the selection sort. Sorting means we need to sort some inserted elements in a ascending or descending order using some algorithm. So there are the lots of algorithm like selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, quick sort. All are the algorithm have some advantage and disadvantage, and selection sort is one of them. Selection sort is very good for the small list, but it is not suitable and good for the large list. The steps to be followed for the selection sort is first we need to set the minimum to the first location. It means we have to fix the location and compare that location, first location, with each other, and find the minimum element throughout the all inserted elements and fix in a first position. Similarly, after pass 1 we will compare the next position number 2 and find the next sorted next minimum element in the remaining list, and throughout the and if the element is minimum, if the element is maximum, second position element is maximum, and found some minimum element of fifth position, then the element will be swapped. Otherwise iteration will be next iteration will be continue. Similarly, similarly assign the second element as minimum. Repeat the process until we get sorted array. So see the program here, and what we need to create here. The program will be divided into three sections. First section will be for input, and second one for the iteration or logic, conceptual logic, and last one will be the output. And first I will create here here I will declare an array, list. Suppose we have a list of 5 element and one variable I and j I have taken, and I am not closing this here right now. I will close after completing the program, and next will be the printf. List. Enter the element in list means enter the elements in array. Okay, and by loop I will use a loop I equal to 0, index number 0, and I will be the I can define here a max. I am using micro here, pre-processing directives, and the length of the array max equal to 5. So I will use here max instead of fix the size, and here max plus plus And this is a single line statement, so I no need of uh, any curly bracket here. Percentage D, address of list I. Okay, the input section has been completed here. Input is completed here, and next will be the iteration part. It means the main logic part will be applied here. Suppose I want to find the array elements, so I will create loop here, I equal to 0 again, and I less than max minus 1, max minus 1, or another loop j equal to I plus 1 max j plus plus. This is the inner loop, and here I will write the code of the selection sort. It means if first location element will be compare with the remaining rest of the elements inside the list, array list. So if list I, it means 0 number, the element or value of the 0 index will be compared with the all rest of the array. It means j is here you are seeing here j value always will be plus 1. It means if outer loop will be accessing the element of 0 position, then it will access the position number 1, so that we will compare. Suppose we have a list 2 2 1 5 7 3, then in first location the value is 2, and in second location value is 1. So if value of 2 is greater than value of 1, location number 1, then the list will be swapped. Okay, so I will write the logic here, swapping logic. I am creating an element temp equal to temp as a variable. Temp will hold the value of list I, first location number 1 value, and ai will be replaced with the list I value will be replaced with list j. Okay, and finally list j value will be replaced by temp. It means the number has been swapped. Okay, number has been swapped, and this section is completed. This is the logic of the selection sort. This is the very simple step, and third section is for output. I am writing code for the output for printf sorted list age for I equal to 0, I less than max I plus plus printf space. I am taking a space here, and list I. Okay, printf slash n. Okay, I am changing the line here. This completed here, and finally return 0 will be put it here. Okay, this is the complete code, and here need to declare temp. Okay, this is the, now I will compile the code and see the output of this code. Okay. I am creating session here, tmax, and dividing screen into two span, control P and percentage. Okay, here and this is the code of selection sort. In a right side screen I compile the code, gcc selection sort. Okay, program has been compiled without any error. Now I will run the code, and I am giving the number 2 5 1 3 4. This is the input, and finally sorted element is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the output of the selection sort. But if I want the output in step-by-step manner, then I can change some logic here. Okay, I am again dividing this screen, splitting this screen. Okay, just I am changing some logic here, and I want to display step-by-step output, so I will change here. I am using another loop k. It will show the step-by-step output, means pass 1, pass 2, pass 3, all iteration or passes output equal to 0, k less than max k plus plus. Printf percentage d and list k. Okay, and case should be defined, declare here. This will be the final output. Final output. Yeah, here I can print a label, printf okay, I want to print pass a result of the every pass, so I will type here printf pass percentage d slash n I. plus 1. Okay, it will display the result of every pass. Okay, I can write the program here and will compile the program. Okay, GCC selection sort and a dot out. My list is 3, 6, 2, 9, 8. This is my list and this is the output. I need to clear here. I need to give the /n. So I will go in this window. Enter /n. Okay, now it is okay. Right, saving this program. And creating another splitting the screen. Splitting the screen, this is screen. Okay, not splitting this. Just compiling this code and running. Executed. List watch 3, 6, 2, 9, 8. This is the input stream and input elements, and this is the result of the every passes. Okay, I just compiling here, same code running here, and list suppose I am taking input 3, 6, 7, 1, 4. Okay, this is the output of the every pass. Pass 1 output is this. Pass 1 is this was the element, input element 36714, 36714. Next one is a 3671416. That is comparing each first position with each location, and this is not greater than this, so the list is remain same. But now this is comparing first position element is comparing third position again list. This is comparing, and first this is compared, and the second is comparing this, and next one is comparing first position with this position, and the element was first position element was greater than this position, so both number was swapped and the list was next. First position having 1 and this one is after completing the first passes, second pass will start, and second pass first position is compared with the first position is skipped, and second position is compared with this, but the element will be same. But now second position will be compared with this position, and the number is 6 is greater than 3, so number will be swapped, and this is the result. And the second position will be compared, and no change. Okay, in a third pass you will see here 1, 3, and next 1 and 3 will be skipped now, and the position number 3 will be compared with position number 4 element, so there will be no changes. And next will be the 1, 3, 4, 7. This one was compared with 4, and the list is swapped, the number was swapped, and you will see here 4 is came here, and 6 went there. Now next passage, the element is 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, because the position was compared with this element, and this is the final output. So we can demonstrate the selection sort using this approach. Thanks for watching. In coming lecture I will demonstrate you the output of the program of the another sorting algorithm and searching algorithm. and this is the Tmux working of Tmux. So I am splitting the screen, and this is the code of the program.